We've got a stunning 1966 Chevelle here. Look at the color blue, white interior. It's got smoked glass, sitting on some big chrome wheels, 454, air conditioned, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes. This car has all that you want. It has everything that it has. I charge 30 grand more typically for a Chevelle like this. The reason being, it's an older restoration. It has some blemishes, which we'll tell you about here in a few minutes. This will make a great driver. It's going to turn heads everywhere. And again, it has everything you want for about 30 grand less than what I get for the cars that are pristine. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 of our classic cars that are for sale. Each one will have the price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So I was told it was frame off restored around 2014. It does have all the SS upgrades, got the hood, the little scoops there. This is beautiful. It's all shiny. It's all looking really nice. Hood ornaments, I guess 7 out of a 10. This is all pretty. There's a little tiny blister right there. Some touch-ups right here. Down at the bottom, that looks nice and clean. No vinyl tops. It's all just beautiful painted metal. Yeah, that all looks good. Door looks good. See how it opens. Opens nice. Shuts real nicely. This is all looking really good. The quarter panel's clean. Here's a chip that's touched up. This looks good. And mine are just imperfections. Little like pieces of dust in the paint. Here's a little imperfection here. Oh, looks like the edge here has been touched up. The trunk lid must have rubbed that. I just opened it and it didn't rub. And there is some checking in the paint right here. But it presents itself beautifully. All this is real nice. There's some chips in the paint right here. Some decent sized chips. This is all looking good. This looks good. Here's a touch up on the edge of the door. Opens and closes real nice. This is all real nice. Good looking. Sharp. Got the cross flag emblems. Just about all the chrome and trim looks like it was replaced. The bumper's real shiny. This anodized trim is a little cloudy up here on top, but does have the blacked out SS grille and the SS emblem. All the glass was replaced. It has smoked glass. I rolled up the other side so you can see how that looks. These look to be in really nice shape. Riddler wheels. They're 18s in front, 20s in back. So big sparkly chrome wheels. They're wrapped in Nitto performance tires. You got bow tie mirrors on both sides. The moldings appear to be in good shape. This is good original. Door handle shiny. The rubber seals and fuzzy strips, those were replaced. As the rear mount antenna, I've always liked that a little bit better than up front. Super Sport is sparkly. All the trim back here looks like it's been replaced. Has the blacked out tail panel with the SS emblem. The bumper is re-chromed. So again, stand back. It's a gorgeous car. The shade of blue is stunning. The stance, the wheels, beautiful. You own the car, you're going to know about little flaws that it has. Why don't we open it up? We'll continue the tour inside the car. All right. Trunk opens easily. Underneath is painted, it has new stickers, it has new bolts holding it on, weather strip is replaced. Inside is nice clean metal, neatly spatter painted. So yeah, that's a nice clean trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon so you're notified when the new videos are posted. I'm holding the keys in my hand, looks like it has some spares on here. Yeah, the white interior really sharp against the blue. Jambs were painted slick, weather strips replaced, door panels, armrest, window cranks, that looks like it's been replaced. It has some speakers in the door with the tweeters. Looking at a really nice dash area. Has a white dash pad, which is unique. See, we light up the gauges. They light up blue, all digital gauges, and all the chrome bezels. The whole dash is actually in mint condition. Retro stereo has an auxiliary plug that's a digital stereo. See a microphone here, must be hands-free. these must be electric now, the heater controls, because it does have a modern heat and AC system. And again, all this was replaced, custom vents. Kick panels look real nice. The carpets are pretty faded. Carpets are pretty easy to change. That's something you can do in a day. But it does have some nice SS mats. Seat belts were still optional, but this has them front and back. We got the B&M slapstick shifter. I like this aftermarket console. You got cup holders, you got an armrest, you got a compartment. The seats feel nice and firm. They're upholstered very nicely. Back seats reupholstered, side panels were replaced. All the blue metal trim is real nice. And we got 6x9 speakers back there. There's 2 screws on each side. Those don't belong there. But overall, the headliner doesn't look brand new and perfect, but it looks nice. Visors look nice. Mirror looks new. It does have a pretty fancy polished wood rim wheel with the polished spokes and some nice billet pedals down there too. So again, not perfect inside, but really nice. It has what you need. It has the nice features and great looking colors. So these came with 396s in the Super Sport, but this one's got a 454 under the hood. Runs good. Edelbrock intake, big dual feed Holley carburetor hiding underneath there. An HEI ignition, a blue cap, blue wires. Those are some fat wires too. A whole engine bay is painted gloss black. The front of the motor has the billet brackets and pulleys with a serpentine belt. We have a chrome alternator. We have a chrome power steering pump, chrome air conditioning compressor, upgraded aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Power brakes were added with a dual reservoir master cylinder, which is safer. So again, you got the big block, you got air, you got power steering, power brakes. You know, is it perfect? No, but it runs good, and it's the same ingredients that we sell in Chevelles for a lot more money. Even under the hood's gloss black. All right, Michael's going to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Now we got a beautiful cruiser here today. Nice Chevelle 454 under the hood. Motor sounds really tight. Excited for this one. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Definitely nice to have that extra gear for cruising. And that's what you should do with this one. Cruise until your heart's content. She's the driver, that's what she wants to do. Fires right up. Again, really tight revving motor from my experience with it so far. It's got air conditioning and power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Really like these gauges too, super easy to read. Got all the necessary vitals up there. Little digital radio. Color combo is cool on this one. Wait for this one car getting a thumbs up there. Yeah, it doesn't take long. Let's see what she's got. All right. And just like that, up to over 60 miles an hour, absolutely no problem. Looks like it's holding about 2,000 RPMs at 60. So definitely not bad at all. Yeah, but good accelerator. Adequate power. Was not fatigued or anything like that. Good runner. Very impressed. We have a lot of fun in this one for not a heck of a lot of money, that's for sure. You want to come test drive it yourself, go ahead, contact our sales team. They'll be happy to arrange that for you. just give us about a day's notice because all the cars are in the museum setting. We need time to move them around. Other than that, check out all the details, pictures, and full description on volocars.com.
So steering and suspension looks like it's all been rebuilt. It's fresh. I mean, all the front end components, even in back, the springs, the shocks, bushings. It has polyurethane bushings upgraded up front. So all that looks to be in great shape. The brake system was upgraded. It's disc brakes at all four wheels. I think this one had new lines and emergency brake cables. Fuel system was replaced. It's a nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. So again, it has all those ingredients. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The starter looks fresh. It's upgraded 700R4. That's an overdrive automatic transmission. So nice to go cruising with down the highway with that extra overdrive gear. 12-bolt rear end in the back. Floors overall look solid. There are two floor pan sections put in the back. Frame is completely solid. So yeah, just take another look at that gorgeous Chevelle. If I lined up all of our Chevelles and you stood back 5 feet, this would probably be the winner. It's just beautiful. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Chevelle delivered to your door and how to get it financed if you need that too. Thanks for watching.